Google is seriously trying to make their consumers satisfied with their 2020 Pixel devices by giving them the best of both worlds, which is Google's A-class camera and a cheaper price. But first cover some sad news which might create a problem for Google in a long-term goal. So the Google Pixel 4 sales record have been out and it's really disappointing, which is overall expected since it didn't went official in India, which is the second largest smartphone market. But now because of this, two big employees have left the Google. Mario Cueros, the head of hardware team, the manager of Pixel department, left the company. It's been reported that he was not happy with some of the decisions being taken. He actually told the higher-ups that the battery on the Pixel 4 devices is not satisfying even before the release, and yet there was no decision taken. Another employee named Mark Leroy, the brain behind Pixel camera, left Google as well. This guy was a true mastermind behind the legendary Pixel photography. Over the years, Leroy bringing new features in camera like HDR+, portrait mode, night sight, astrophotography, live HDR preview. He was the true Einstein of Pixel camera, but now he's gone. Right now, Google won't affected much by leaving this guy since he was not working alone. He has its team working all together, but in long term this might affect Google. Google will still pushing great photography in Pixel phones, but after 2 to 3 years, we won't see any legendary Pixel feature in camera in which he's been working and revealing year over year. And imagine if a company like Samsung hires him, then it will seriously be a big blow for Google and Apple as well. Samsung is doing insanely great in camera hardware, but they're lacking in software only. If they seriously hires him, then just imagine what Samsung can do with the help of their 108 and 150 megapixel sensors and the Einstein of camera software. But it's just a dream right now. Hopefully the next person that will join Google might also that much capable of bringing the Pixel's computational photography stand out again. Now speaking of upcoming Pixel's hardware, the Google Pixel 4a and Google Pixel 5. Firstly, the Google Pixel 4a, which was initially set to launch in the month of May, but Google delayed it for, of course, considering the situation that is going on. According to John Prosser from FPT, the announcement for the Pixel 4a will likely held on July 13, with sales starting from August 6th and October 1st. This is indeed a very late release, but here comes the surprise which you were waiting for. So a couple of days ago there was a rumor saying that $399 is the wrong price for the Pixel 4a. In fact, the 128GB model could cost $349 and the 64GB variant could cost $299. But now suddenly, Google leaked their upcoming phone's price as well. Google did a survey on Reddit asking or revealing the $349 is indeed a price for their cheaper Pixel phone, which is Pixel 4a. But they also revealed that the Pixel 5, the next flagship, or I would say the upper mid-range flagship from Google, will likely cost $699. That's a very surprising move from Google, where Pixel 4 cost $899 and $999. Google Pixel 5 will completely destroy the market with its $699 price. Now you might be wondering how Google can sell its flagship phone in $699. So you guys remember the leak that we got about Pixel 5 a couple of months ago says that Pixel 5 will not going to have a flagship Snapdragon 865 processor, but a mid-range Snapdragon 765, and yes, that is indeed true. The Snapdragon 765 will indeed going to be inside of the Pixel 5 series, and there's also something that Google is doing right here, is ditching the Soli. With the Pixel 4 we got this pretty thick top bezel housing the Soli radar chip that was used to do some gimmick things, but it caused multiple issues in the Pixel 4. Soli usually consumes more battery in the Pixel 4, and because of the Soli radar frequency, Google weren't able to sell their phone in second largest smartphone market, which is India. But now Google finally learned their lesson and ditching the Soli in Pixel 5, which means we now get better design in next Pixel, probably the punch hole similar to Pixel 4a. If you're still wondering how Google can put a mid-range chip in their flagship phone, so here's the thing. Right now, smartphone processors are already very capable and we just need better optimization to utilize that power. And honestly, Google is doing very great thing in this perfect time where smartphones are getting super costly. This new $700 price will crush everyone if Google really manages to play their game perfectly. So this is all on the Pixel 5. Let me know what you guys think. Are you now happy with $700 Pixel 5? Let me know what you guys think and make sure to subscribe for daily tech videos and I'll see you in the next one.